Ferrari and BaByliss, two world leaders. 140 years of engineering excellence. An unprecedented partnership that's created a genuine Ferrari engine for a high-performance luxury dryer, built exclusively for the professional stylist. An engine powerful enough to win BaByliss the same phenomenal success that Ferrari enjoys on the track. And technologically advanced enough to drive hair to brilliant new levels of shine. Faster and more effortlessly than ever before. Beauty so powerful, it takes your breath away. Introduce hair to the Grand Prix of styling. The BaByliss Pro Volare. Stylists, start your engines.